How to turn $100 into $10,000. Investing for beginners. Most people think you need a lot of money to start investing. But what if you could turn just $100 into $10,000 or more over time? The secret is smart investing. No get-rich-quick scams, just proven strategies that have worked for decades. Investing is not about getting rich overnight. It's about playing the long game and letting your money grow through compound interest. Albert Einstein once said, "Compound interest is the world's eighth wonder. He who understands it, earns it. He who doesn't, pays it." If you invest just $100 a month and earn an average return of 10% per year, here's what happens. In 10 years, you'd have $20,000. In 20 years, you'd have $75,000. In 30 years, you'd have over $200,000. Now imagine increasing your investments over time. This is how people build real wealth. Instead of betting on one company, index funds let you invest in the entire market. The S&P 500 has averaged a 10% annual return for nearly a century. Warren Buffett says, "The best thing you can do is invest in an S&P 500 index fund and forget about it." Some of the best ETFs to start with. View Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. SPY Spider S&P 500 ETF. Dividend stocks pay you cash just for holding them. Some companies have increased their dividends for over 50 years, meaning more passive income over time. Stocks like Coca-Cola, KO, Johnson & Johnson, J&J, and Procter & Gamble, PG, have increased dividends for decades. John D. Rockefeller once said, "Do you know the only thing that gives me pleasure? It's seeing my dividends come in." If you're okay with a little more risk, investing in high-growth stocks or crypto could multiply your money faster, but also comes with more volatility. Amazon, AMZN IPO'd in 1997 at $1.73 per share. Today, it trades over $3,000 per share. A $100 investment then would be worth over $170,000 today. Bitcoin and Ethereum have delivered exponential growth, but only invest what you can afford to lose. Peter Lynch said, "Know what you own and know why you own it." Most people fail at investing because they don't stay consistent. The key to turning $100 into $10,000 is simple. Invest regularly, even small amounts matter. Reinvest your profits, especially dividends. Don't panic sell when the market drops. Benjamin Graham, Warren Buffett's mentor, said, "The investor's chief problem, and even his worst enemy, is likely to be himself. Time in the market beats timing the market. Those who stay invested over the long run almost always come out ahead." Start with just $100, pick a smart investment like an S&P 500 ETF or a dividend stock, and commit to investing consistently. In the future, you'll look back and realize that this small decision was the one that changed everything. Warren Buffett's golden rule: if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Subscribe for more investing tips and start building your financial future today.